Hi guys, I am Amber. Have you noticed that video podcasts are suddenly everywhere? From politicians to celebrities to agencies, everyone is launching a show. But there's a reason behind this explosion. And the New Yorker just broke it down. Alright, so why are video podcasts suddenly everywhere? Like literally every time you open YouTube or TikTok, someone is sitting in front of a mic talking about life, business, relationships, politics, everything. The New Yorker actually breaks this down really well, and it comes down to a few big shifts. Number one, video feels more human. Audio is great, but when you can see someone's face, the micro expressions, the eye contact, the awkward smile, the laughs, it changes everything. It creates this weird sense of intimacy, like you're in the room with them. Humans trust faces. Faces tell stories. That's why the format works so well. Number two, the algorithm literally favors video. Audio podcasts basically live inside their own little island. You only find them if you already listen to podcasts. But video gets pushed everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Reels, Shorts, X, clips go viral, guests go viral, even random 2-minute conversations go viral. The discovery loop is just way stronger for video. Number three, the barriers are gone. In the past, if you wanted to run a talk show, you needed a studio, a crew, distribution. Now people run million subscriber shows from their bedroom. Celebrities, journalists, politicians, athletes, they're all bypassing traditional media and going straight to viewers. A mic, a camera, and a thumbnail can do what TV networks used to do. And number four, this one's big. Audiences want something that feels real, so long-form conversations feel refreshing. You get context, nuance, actual personality, not just a 10-second punchline. And that makes viewers feel more connected and more informed. Put all of this together, and you get the perfect storm for video podcasts. They're human, they're algorithm-friendly, the production barrier dropped, and people crave real conversations again. But here's the challenge the New Yorker didn't talk about. Creating a weekly or bi-weekly video podcast is really hard. You need filming, lighting, setup, guest schedules, editing. And for many teams, creators, or agencies, this makes consistency impossible. This is where AI completely changes the equation. With Jog AI's Avatar Video Podcast feature, you can now produce a full podcast episode.
Have you ever noticed how difficult it is to find a conversation these days that doesn't immediately devolve into an argument?
Without recording yourself.
Without a studio.
And without being on camera at all.
Your avatar speaks your script.
Your avatar matches your voice, tone, brand.
Your face appears consistently, even when you're not available.
Teams can produce multiple episodes per week in multiple languages with zero filming. What's really interesting is that AI avatar podcasts actually follow the same logic the New Yorker identified. They still deliver facial expressions, eye contact, presence. They are inherently video first, perfect for algorithm distribution. They remove media barriers even further. Now, you don't even need to record yourself. Instead of replacing creators, AI avatars scale creators. They remove the part that slows down production while keeping the visual identity that audiences connect with. We're entering a phase where thought leaders can publish 5 times more content. Agencies can deliver podcast-style assets for every client. Brands can run multilingual video podcasts for global audiences. And creators can maintain a consistent on-camera presence without burnout. This is the next wave of video podcasting. If you want to try this yourself, you can generate your first Avatar podcast episode on Jog AI today. No studio, no equipment, just your ideas, and an avatar that speaks for you.